The DNA motoring HL-OH-FSUPER08-SM-AM smoke lens amber headlights replacement is a well-crafted enhancement for the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-Series Super Duty trucks, specifically the F-250, F-350, F-450, and F-550 models. This product stands out due to its striking smoke lens design that not only adds a touch of modern flair to the vehicle's aesthetics but also improves overall visibility. Installation of the headlights is straightforward, designed with compatibility in mind. The fit is precise, aligning well with the factory mounts, which minimizes the need for extensive adjustments. This ease of installation is particularly beneficial for DIY enthusiasts who appreciate straightforward enhancements without professional assistance. In terms of performance, the amber lens provides an effective light output that ensures safety during nighttime driving and adverse weather conditions. The light distribution is well engineered,